Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix no data available on your Facebook page. If you are also facing such type of Facebook error, no data available, then here are the fixes. Log out your Facebook first. Log out completely and again after some times restart your phone and log in again to your Facebook account. This is the first and initial workaround. Log in and log out your Facebook account. The second one is go to your browser and check Meta server status. Go to your browser, either Chrome or Firefox, and here in search field type Meta server status. And open the first result, Meta server status, and make sure that Facebook is not down or any Meta services not down. If you found it in down mode, then wait for some times, and if you found it on OK, then again log in your Facebook page and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to settings of your Android phone. Here go to app settings. Here go to Facebook. Look for Facebook app. Tap on it. Here go to storage. Scroll down and go to storage. Tap on it, and here you will find app data caches and total and clear Facebook app caches. At the bottom of the page you will find clear caches and clear data. So don't tap on clear data, only tap on clear cache. Tap on it and it will clear your Facebook caches. And check your Facebook error, no data available, resolved or not. If not, one more fixes. Go to Play Store of your Android phone. Here tap on your profile icon from the top right corner and choose manage app on this device, and here choose update available. And if you found any update available regarding Facebook app, simply update it. Sometimes outdated app may be a cause of various type of Facebook data not available. Such type of error appeared on your screen. So you must update your Facebook app. And if your problem still, then simply uninstall Facebook app and reinstall a fresh version of Facebook app from Play Store. Simply uninstall Facebook app and go to Play Store, look for Facebook app and install a fresh version of Facebook app in your Android phone. Same process will be applied for iOS and web.